Ah,
Oh,
that's
shit.
hot.
Here we go
That's
again.
hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. And we're only going to be using one account. Most people that know about My Lead Gen Secret have multiple accounts, but we only using one account simply to show you what your results will be if you just start, you know what I mean, and not just go all in crazy. But that's how you have to do to make a ton of money. But I'm just showing you the beginning, because people are usually scared to like put a lot of time and effort and money into one thing if they don't know for sure it's gonna work. So that's what we doing here. Now you might get better results than me, worse than me, but I'm just showing you what I'm getting. Alright, so if you're interested in following along, links in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Alright, so first off, I want to speak on why I like this product in particular. This product is $25 digital business. You get 80% recurring commissions for every sale, and you get it every single month. So if you get the $25 business, guys. If they buy it, you will get $20 of that, so to speak. And if they get the premium, which is training and stuff on how to do marketing and do ads and stuff, and it's constantly updated. That's $125 per month. You get $100 when that happens. All right, guys. So let's talk about what my results are, because that's what that's what I'm really here to talk about here. So my results, we're gonna refresh the page here to show you real results here, because it's very easy to change the numbers around and make them look like whatever you want. You know what I mean? So I just want to refresh the page to show y'all that these are indeed real results. So we're finna refresh here. All right, now it's okay. It looks like we did get a sale.
Nice.
In fact, it looks like we got 2 sales. Now the $100 is a recurring commission for every month, but that $20 is somebody getting into the system for the first time, right? The $20 and the 80 cents there, that's a trial for the $100 commission. So I might get another $100 commission from him in 2 weeks. So we got 2 sales, maybe from the same person, I'm assuming, but we got 2 sales technically. So that's pretty good. Yeah, we had a dry week here, but we coming back now, which is fine. This is pretty good. All right, so let's go ahead and show you exactly what to do here, guys. Now there's a link in the description, and what it will do, it'll take you to this page here. Get to this page, you can watch your video, you can do all the things, whatever you want to do, and check out all the stuff that you can get. You get 80% commission for every product and all that good stuff, and it kind of slowly tells you exactly what you're getting here, guys. And once you figure all that out, you click on yes, I want in, if you're interested in following along. So you'll click on that, it'll take you to this page here. Oh, my bad, guys. But what will normally happen, it'll take you to a page with a video explaining exactly what you're buying, so you'll be very informed on what you're actually purchasing, guys, because we don't want it, like, this system doesn't want to trick you or anything like that. You're paying for a recurring commissions product, so you're gonna get charged every month. All right, guys, making sure to show that something went wrong there, but that's what is essentially what it is, guys, for me. And once you go through that system, right, you'll finally get to your affiliate links. You get through the system. Let's see here, you'll go to something like this here. All right, you'll click on affiliate zone right here. Now what you're gonna have to do is sign up for the affiliate program, and once you sign up for the affiliate program, you get your affiliate links and all that for Samcart. And once you get the Samcart, it'll take you to this right here. And once you get here, you want to click this link here. This is the link you want to use, the all-in-one $25 business. And once you do that, guys, you want to log into My Lead Gen Secrets, guys. That's another link in the description there. My Lead Gen Secrets. All right, guys. So you want to log into My Lead Gen Secrets, and you want to click that. I gotta do it again. Now the page might look slightly different from mine because I'm pretty sure I used a different page to promote. I thought it looked better, but this is basically, it's the same thing. You log in, and once you log in, guys, go to the mailing system. This system gives you 100 leads every single day, 100 new fresh leads every single day. So you click on all of them, right? And once you get a couple of, you write your emails. Now you can copy the emails that I write if you want to. Totally fine. I have no problem with that. I'll show it so you can write it down and copy it. We're gonna go with I guess we'll go with this one. Maybe. Let's load this one up. Oh, my spleen, Eugene, blah, blah, blah. We're going to go with a simple email here, guys. Because I'm showing you guys exactly what to do. I want to make it a very easy and simple email. That's a very complicated email. So I'm just looking to see the email to go for. Okay, we'll go with this email here. This one. We'll load this one up. Each 0 results is 20 commissions, right? See what it say, right? Each sale result results in an interest 20 commission. You can copy that, guys. We're just loading that up. So you pause the video on copying this, guys. If you want to copy this email particularly, you can write your own emails. You can use ChatGPT. It's a ton of ways to write emails, guys, real quick with AI. Any kind of AI sorted products. You could even go into the system itself because there's a new product. Once you get into the system and you have the premium, right? You could click on the premium and you got this Immersion Magic Content Machine. You can click on that and tell it to write an email about the $25 bill. Let's type it out. Now you hit go immersion, right? I probably won't use the email. I'm just showing you a very easy way to get emails once you're in the system. You go to the Immersion Magic Content Machine. This is an AI. It'll write emails for you. And you can see that. There's an email for you. Now what you want to do now, add another sentence that say make it shorter and more quick. So you do that. You see that? Very quick, easy email. You see that? And that's how you get the emails you can use in this system here. Just put that in here. I'm gonna let you copy this one now. You can pause it whenever you need to. It's a very short email, as you can see. Now right here, the link that I'm using is of course the link I showed you guys earlier before. It's the all-in-one $25 business. The reason I use this link is because it promotes the $20 commissions and the $100 commissions. The $100 commission, guys. That's the reason why I use that email. All right, guys. So we're gonna send that here, and make sure your link works, guys. Make sure the link works. Okay, it works for me. Make sure your link works. Make sure to hit perfect timing. That sends the email around time people check their emails. and you just send an email, and that's all there is to it, guys. I wanted to make sure I clearly show you a very simple and easy way to get this going, get some money in your pocket, and get it started. You know what I mean? And really start living up. Within the first month, you should get some sales. I can't like, I guess the word is like promise. I can't promise you anything because that's against the rules. That'd be against the affiliate rule. You can't really promise things. But within the first month, I got sales very quick. I got sales on like day, I can't remember the day, but I got sales in my first month, and that's what made me create this channel, because this was working for me, and I kind of want to show guys how to do it. So anyway, guys, if you're interested in following along, like I stated before, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.